Hi everyone, I am going to show you a quick video on how to get started tomorrow when you are ready to start your online class. Everyone just get to your regular screen, find Schoology, find your appropriate class. I'm going to go into hour 1, which would be anybody who is nonlinear. This getting ready and checking in should have been done already. If you haven't, please do that as soon as possible. And then we're going to go to week 1. So in every week's folder, you're going to have tasks. This first thing, optional discussion, question and answer. If you have anything to ask me or someone else, just type it right here. We will respond. Homework submission, you will be submitting your homework each week. I will talk about that in a minute. And then this is the most important piece right here. It's what you have to do for the week. And it says to do, all things must be done by Saturday. I'm giving you until Saturday at 11 a.m. Everything will shut off at that point. So you're going to watch videos, complete worksheets, and take quizzes for day 1 through 3. Note, this all should be review for you. So day 1, do about half the problems. Day 2, optional. Day 3, do about half the problems and take the quiz. And day 3, part 2, also take the quiz. You're going to take pictures of your homework and submit worksheets in the worksheet submission folder. Please make sure your stuff is neat and labeled and I can see it. I've gotten a couple already, believe it or not, but they've been pretty dark so I can't see them. I would do your homework on another sheet of paper. I know some of you have your packets, which is great, but you do not have to print everything and do it that way. I would just sit next to it and copy it down on another sheet of paper. This week you will also be doing a summative. I can factor trinomials. Please show your work on a piece of paper, take a picture because you will need to submit that for credit. And you have 45 minutes to take this. All of the quizzes, you have up to 5 times to take. I will take the best score. Continue taking notes in your notebook. If you don't want to print worksheets, do the work on another sheet of paper, label correctly, and submit that. And work must be shown on all homework for credit. Guys, this is going to be a little bit nuts. I think we're all anxious, maybe a little nervous to see how it goes. Hopefully I have made this very clear to you. My office hours are 9 to 11 tomorrow, which means you can pop in on Google Meets. However, contact me at any time. I will check my email constantly. I'll check Schoology constantly. I am here for you at all times to make sure we get through this. If you want to do all of this in one day, great. Then you have nothing to do the rest of the week. If you want to spread it out, great. Just make sure you're doing something so that I can make sure that I know that everyone is doing okay. I miss all of you tons, 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 tons. I hope everyone's doing well. I can't wait to see some of your faces. Have an amazing rest of the day, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. I guess I'm not seeing you tomorrow, let's be honest.